This week at Apple, we got some new beta updates, new iPhone 17 leaks, and new leaks for the new case. Let's get into it. Starting with iOS 26 Beta 7. It's amazing. Super smooth, super fast. I mean, check out the Auto Mix automation. It looks pretty cool. We also get a new toggle in settings to send adaptive power notifications. This is for Apple's new adaptive power mode, which will save battery by slowing down your phone, turning down the brightness, things like that nobody really wants. Most people have never heard of DockKit, but it's pretty cool. With DockKit, you can attach your phone to a compatible MagSafe stand and have the stand follow you wherever you go, taking videos. That way, you're always in frame. But now, in this beta, Apple updated it so it works anytime, not just while you're taking videos. That way, your phone will always be facing you, no matter what you're doing. In Control Center, you can now add the toggle for dock mode to be able to turn this on and off. One thing I wish it could do is allow dock mode to be on while the phone's locked. That way, you could use it in standby mode. I think that'd be pretty cool. Apple watchOS 26 Beta 7 and watchOS 11.6.1 is officially out. In both these softwares, they're finally bringing back the blood oxygen sensor. If you don't remember, back in January of 2024, Apple was sued by a company called Masumo because of the blood oxygen sensor, which forced Apple to stop including the app in all the Apple Watches they sold. If you have an Apple Watch from before the lawsuit, you got to keep the blood oxygen sensor. But watches sold from January 2024 till now haven't let you use the actual app. Finally, Apple's found a way to get the blood oxygen sensor back on the Apple Watches by sending all the data to your iPhone. iPadOS 26 Beta 7 also got a new feature allowing you to put a lot more apps on the dock, up to, I think, 29. This is basically a MacBook feature that they're bringing to the iPad, and I think it looks pretty cool, but I don't know if I'll ever use it. Okay, let's talk about the iPhone 17, because Apple's literally been seen walking around with it now. We've gotten tons of leaked images. In fact, we have now gotten leaks of the cases and their new leather replacement called Tech Woven. I really hope it's better than the fine woven cases that they had before. Those were terrible. Also, not really Apple related, but the Pixel 10s just came out and they have a new feature called Pixel Snap. This is basically Google's version of MagSafe, which is important to you because I think they'll both be interchangeable, so you should be able to use those Pixel Snap accessories on your iPhone. We're also hearing rumors of the new Apple Watch coming with Touch ID, which I think could be pretty cool, so we'll see if it happens. Thanks for watching. I know this one was a really quick one, but I'm pretty busy with my real life, so I'll see you next week.